Hi guys, this is Farah. Welcome to my channel where I will help you start a private label business on Amazon so you can increase your income with confidence and build a life that you dream about at work. It's been 2 years since I started this channel about Amazon and we have crossed 3,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel and supporting it. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe and click on that notification bell so you don't miss out when I post a new video. So like I said, I started this channel about 2 years ago on a whim because I wanted to learn marketing practically. And the thing with this is, like, this is what you would call a content creation online business, right? And what I was doing before that was also an online business, and it wasn't 100% online, but part of it was online. The revenue was generated online, all the fees and expenses, they were all paid online. So it's like partially online business, and if you do as an FBA, it becomes fully online. But between the two, if you compare, like, content creation, online business is so distracting. First of all, like, you know, the amount of focus you need to have for this business is, you know, huge. And, you know, in the same amount of time, all the revenue, all the work we were able to do in Amazon business, comparatively in my first 2 years when I started, was like, you know, I saw a lot more return on the work I did. Whereas, you know, in terms of like this content creation business, it's all long game. It's all long game. Like, I was able to build a business and a brand on Amazon, and, you know, it's a 6-figure brand now. And, you know, it was in my, you know, I love fashion. So it was like a fashion related. So, you know, I'm shifting towards a different type of business in online space. And then you can, like, for myself, like, there's like such a learning curve, even though like I've been doing business online for such a long time. So if any of you have a dream about having a fashion brand, or you want to start a fashion product line on Amazon, I would be, you know, a great fit to work with you. So you can email me at hello@farahfinds.com and let's talk and figure it out if we will be a good fit to work together. As I said, when I compare both type of businesses, Amazon is the #1 place to sell a product online. And especially if you're a person who doesn't know how to do marketing or drive traffic to links and all that sort of stuff, and use this different marketing, you know, CRMs and all that kind of stuff. If you don't know, then Amazon is the #1 place to sell products online, and you don't need to do content creation for that. This is the beauty of it. So again, you know, I'm discovering a lot of things, and I want to launch new products, new brands and things like that. And I want, as an Amazon seller, that's where I'm coming from, and I want to be able to share that on my channel. So make sure you guys do subscribe. So I hope you find value on this channel and the content I'm sharing. I will link one of my videos in a link above this video. So make sure you go watch that, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.